Daft Punk's Thomas Bangalter announced his new solo album, Mythologies. His first independent orchestral work will arrive on April 7th. So
He actually showed his face, too. It's a drawing.
that's a face.
That's apparently his face.
He described what his face should look like to Midjourney, and that's his face.
Yeah.
I don't mind that reveal. You go with the picture, instead, not the photo, the artist's rendition. Actually, I kind of like this drawing.
It's nice.
I
Yeah.
really like this drawing. The way they went with the negative space and the lack of value in the front and then the value in the back.
Brush strokes.
Yeah, so you have it's filled in, but then the hair is a combination of highlights.
Yeah.
And, the more I look at this drawing, the more I like it. But anyway, that's besides the point. Daft Punk, we haven't heard from in a while, and people were skeptical. Retirement? Really? Why? You don't even have to show your face. Like, aren't you having fun? And they're like, yo, guys, we've been doing this for a really long time, and in a really cool and good way. And it is a really long time. Daft Punk has gone through the generations. Seriously, like my kids like Daft Punk, and I was introduced to it however many years ago. It's like sort of timeless stuff they're doing over here. Yeah, Epilogue. Can you show this? Jeez Louise, this must be frame by frame over here, Will. I'm very concerned.
Just screenshots.
This is heavy duty record label type stuff. Yeah, go to the explosion right there. Boom. One. This is what happens when on our Clips channel, when the 3-minute timer runs out. That's what should happen to me. We just need one effect like that you can insert every time for like a split. I'm not trying to give you more work to do. I'm just joking around. I'm just memeing about. Anyway, that's cool. I'm all for that. Let's see. Daft Punk's Thomas Bangalter has announced a new solo album, Mythologies, arriving April 7th. First independent orchestral work. Originally commissioned by choreographer Angelin Priljoka for the ballet of the same name back in 2021, billed as a production about the founding myths that shaped the collective imagination, premiered by the Opéra National de Bordeaux and Ballet Prélocage the following year. A 90-minute long score in which Bangalter reimagines his composition style. In a press release, it's described as not drawing on electronic music, but rather the large-scale traditional force of a symphony. And as such, it embraces the history of orchestral ballet music. So it's not probably going to be a lot like Daft Punk, for those that are wondering. However, it could be interesting nonetheless. I always take a chance on things like this. I'm like, you know what? We got to, like, you can't have very strict parameters when it comes to genre, because how will you ever discover? You know, discovery is fun and exciting. Go try the genre. Go, a little orchestral music, a little classical. I don't know what you're up to, but like you give it a crack, and if you bring the right mindset, you never know what might happen.
Yeah. April 7th. Go check it out.